Hello, today in Knime video again, and we want to convert something now. And I will show you what it exactly mean to convert a value in unit to value in which is int. And let's just jump right into it. And as you see here, we have table creator, and table creator just doing this. And you see here kind of our string column with some units afterward. We have some units we don't want to see, and it's not so easy in Knime to convert these. You have to do three steps, and the first step would be to add here the expression, and the expression is basically you do delete all of those b, m, and k. So you just replace them here, do using this code, and this is then afterward the view int column, and the view in column we can then afterward kind of uh, transform again. But first we have to do a string to number, and the string to number is basically on this column. So we have here now a number. And the last step is to do the expression now, which is if it contains a b, then we want to just do the time multiply by the 9 zeros, and so on for all the others as well. And this is kind of the straightforward way to do it in Knime. So now we can disregard this column with the views, which is unreadable basically in terms of data quality. And this one is a good in terms of data quality, because we can now we can filter these, and we cannot filter these, for example. This is random stuff. So if you like, you can do this as well in your Knime flows, and I'm very happy to help because I was doing some data transformation. So why not share it? Because my follower might know, might want to know, and yes. So my name is Murian-Coush Addem, and I'm very friendly that you see the video and support the channel to grow a bit. So yeah, might be nice to get some kind of audience here. So thank you very much. Bye.